I hit him once.
No bird, call him off. No bird. Yeah, only pick it. Hip up on me.
He's hit pretty good. He got hit at least twice.
He was actually walking. He came up the trail here. Come around.
Yeah, because I know I hit him once.
Come around. Yeah. No. Good boy, Mike. Safety off?
Safety's off.
Oh, good shot. Who got that one? That's exactly what that was. I'm like, man, these guys gotta be shooting. That's an easy shot. Good boy, Mike.
Oh, they're pointing up there. That's him, he's on point. Might be that one that's hit.
One more bird and Dolly has hit her 14,999 birds.
Wow.
So this one breaks 15. That was a rabbit. You see it?
No.
You shoot the rabbit. Just don't come across. There he goes.
Shoot the rabbit, Dad.
No, not too after Christmas. We had a guy shoot geese that was flying over one day. Ready? 15,000. No pressure.
I thought I heard it this close.
Oh, head. Should break that way. Should break that way. Take!
She hit.
15,000 right there. Good girl, Don Ross.
Oh, they got it.
All right.
You got that one, I think.
I'm not sure. I shot and somebody else shot at the same time.
I know I shot once, but
All right, bring her around.
because I didn't want to have bird soup.
Whoa, pretty girl. Nice shot.
Still alive. First year we did this.
Now listen, we charge extra for this, for the back massage. So you're gonna have to, like, you know,
First year
use the $20 tip on top of that for the back massage. Huh?
I'm paying the tip.
Are you? Oh. Hey, he just became my best friend.
First year we did this. Yeah, first year we did this, we shot at me and Josh shot a chucker. The guy put it in his vest. We laid them all out for a picture. the freaking truck came back alive. So we just put our guns in the truck.
Run away.
It started running away. So me and Josh had to chase it down.
Good job, buddy. Got him? Sure you're on loose there, buddy? Oh yeah, it's right here. Ken,
That's it.
come on. Ready?
You gonna run?
Thanks.
I tried to kick her.
Nice.
I wasn't ready to kick and shoot at the same time. I'd be on my butt. Well, she ran right at my foot. So am I. I got like, I think I got 6 or 7 left. I don't think I brought enough shells. My gun won't cycle. Yeah. I'd use a pump. I never shot. He bought one for $250 when Field and Stream opened up. Yeah, they had a big sale opening day. Bought a 270 with what, a 26 or 28 inch barrel on it for $250.
They only make that, John. They only made that 89, 90, 91. 3 years period they made that. Special field up one. That's an LP frame. That's a lightweight. It's a little harder to get. I'm not an automatic shooter, but I like that gun.
Oh, I hurt.
Turn around, Mike. 7 or 8.
Gotta roll around first.
Down.
Oh, tripped on a freaking cornstalk. You never worked a pump action before? Oh, you should be. It was. He's taking a dump.